Welcome back to DYD Auto, and today we're looking at one of the most unexpected creations of 2026, the Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome. Yes, it's real, and it instantly demands your attention. Aggressive yet elegant, sculpted with aerodynamic precision and carrying the iconic badge front and center. This isn't a motorhome, this is a moving sculpture on wheels. Under the body, a hybrid V12 derived from the Aventador platform pushes out over 950 horsepower. Active air suspension adapts in real time, giving a supercar-like driving experience. Step inside through Lamborghini's signature scissor doors and you're greeted by a penthouse on wheels. Hand-stitched Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and a panoramic smart glass roof that changes tint with a single touch. The living area features a plush L-shaped sofa, a retractable 75-inch OLED display, and a marble-finished kitchen. The rear cabin transforms into a luxurious bedroom with a king-size bed, Alcantara walls, and LED ceiling panels that recreate the night sky. Even the bathroom delivers five-star hotel energy with Italian stone, a rainfall shower, and heated floors. A built-in Lamborghini Smart Assistant adapts to your routine, while full 5G connectivity and a suite of advanced features keep everything seamless. Remote monitoring, autopilot parking, and 360-degree surveillance. Production is extremely limited. Only 25 units will be released globally, making it one of the rarest and most exclusive motorhomes ever created. Whether you're cruising down the coastline or parking beside a private villa, this machine redefines luxury travel. This is more than transportation, it's a lifestyle. Thanks for watching.